For 17 years, Nigeria has lived with a war that doesn't announce itself. It hides in the ground, it travels through the air, and it has taken more than any headline can measure. From soldiers on the front lines to civilians who simply wanted to go about their day. But two Nigerians refused to accept that as the permanent story. Nathan Nwachukwu and Maxwell Maduka didn't wait for foreign solutions to fix a Nigerian problem. They built one themselves. Terra Industries was born from that refusal. A startup forged not in comfort, but in conviction. And just now, they've unveiled what they've been building. Drones that sweep terrain that would cost soldiers their lives to cross. Systems that detect buried explosives before a single boot touches the ground. Real-time intelligence delivered in seconds, turning a road full of danger into one a family can drive home on. Because the mission was never just military. It was always about the market woman reopening her stall, the child walking to school without fear, the community that sleeps through the night again. Nigeria has always had the courage to fight. Nathan and Maxwell are giving it the technology to protect. And when citizens are safer, the whole nation moves forward.
Ground vehicles that can detect IEDs on the ground, and our battlefield intelligence software that will be able to automate the military planning and coordination process.